Well, today I'm gonna change the air filter on my chainsaw here. I've been neglecting it. You don't really need a lot of tools to do this. Basically, just 3 screws. It's pretty easy. I've been neglecting this. I cut a lot of wood with this, so. Okay, let's see if I can get it off here. There we go. There. And there's your filter, which I say I've kind of neglected. It's done a lot of running, cut a lot of wood, so I just bought a kit to put in it. Yeah, that's pretty nasty, isn't it? Yeah. There's just a little piece there. Okay. So I just get a plastic deal that came with something. It was wrapped, you know, something we bought. So this kit comes with 2 different shapes filters. This is being the one that is the filter I have. You see? So I just kind of put that down in there because you want to oil your filter up. And just use the same oil you put in the gas of the chainsaw. Get off of me, bug. Uh-oh. Woo! Well, I went overboard there. I guess it's fitting since it's marine 2-cycle oil I'm using. Of course. Now I probably got her too oily. I'm just gonna squeeze some out here. That ought to do it. There we go. I'll just set that aside. It just fits back in there. Not a big thing. Doesn't take that long. Probably should have cleaned that up a little, but it'll just get dirty again pretty quick. So here we go. Put her back down on there. Now we just tighten her down. if I can find the slot. There we go, I got it. And that's it. Pretty much doesn't take that long, and it'll give me a lot more service now. I could have just cleaned that filter up, but I just thought it was so long since I'd cleaned it that, as you can see, it's plenty dirty. So, alright. That's all. Pretty easy.